Most Jamaicans think credit is bad, but the rich in Jamaica, they use credit to get richer. Let me show you how it really works. In Jamaica, we have our own credit system. Your score is tracked by Credit Info and Crive. And guess who uses it? Rich Jamaicans, politicians, big business owners. They borrow from the bank, flip it, and profit. They don't take loans just to spend. They borrow to buy vehicles and rent them out. Open shops, bars, or Airbnb rooms. Flip land and real estate. Start online stores with inventory bought on credit. All using credit cards, small loans, or equipment financing from banks like NCB, Scotia, VM, and JN. Most Jamaicans fear credit because we weren't taught how it works. So we stick to cash and limit ourselves. Start building your credit the smart way. Drop money if you want to join my paid WhatsApp group where I show you how to use the Jamaican system to grow wealth step by step.